We have a visitor. Tiny little thing. Whoa! Wow! He's in the flowers now. You're going the wrong way, dude. There he is. There he is. Get out! Get out! Well, go. This is your lucky day. Yeah, if you go out. Come on, how'd you go? How'd you go? There he goes. Maybe not. Get out! Whoa!
Goodbye. Thank you.
Okay, there he is. Just want to get him away from the gate so he don't. Almost got me. No. Get him across the road. What? I'm trying to save his life. She just drove right over him. Okay. You can't get in that house. There's nobody living in there anyway, so that's it. The lady drove right over him.